What are genetic traits? Genetic traits are things that are passed down from parents to children. Children inherit the traits from their parents. These don't just have to be human parents and children. They can be plants, dogs, cats, fish, or anything else that reproduces sexually. Many of the features of living things are programmed by genes, sections of DNA. The word genes is where we get the word genetic from. Traits of living things that are programmed by these genes are called genetic traits. Living things that reproduce sexually and have two parents get genetic information from both parents. Let's see some examples of genetic traits. Flower color is often a genetic trait. Eye color is a genetic trait. The color of a cat's fur is a genetic trait. The ability to roll your tongue is a genetic trait. Freckles are also a genetic trait. Some diseases like type 1 diabetes, factor V Leiden, and some types of cancer can also be genetic traits. Be careful though, not everything that makes you, you is a genetic trait. Things like food and drink, or where something lives, can impact its health or how it looks. For example, dyed hair is not a genetic trait. Catching a cold or influenza is also not a genetic trait. You get these diseases by coming across a virus in your environment. The big thing to remember is to ask, can this trait pass from parents to children? You try one. Take a look at this girl. Do you think that her height is a genetic trait? Yes, height is a genetic trait. The tendency to be tall or short passes from parents to offspring. Let's review. Genetic traits are inherited. They are traits that are carried by genes. They are passed from parents to children, offspring, in living things that reproduce sexually.